Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Bitbucket repos for UIKit projects step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Bitbucket website. Log in to your Bitbucket account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Repositories tab on the left sidebar. Click on Create Repository to start a new project. Fill in the required fields, such as the repository name and project type. Choose whether you want the repository to be public or private. Select the version control system you wish to use, typically Git. Click on the Create Repository button to finalize the creation. Next, open your terminal or command prompt on your computer. Navigate to the directory where your UIKit project is located. Use the command git init to initialize a new Git repository in your project folder. After initialization, add the Bitbucket repository as a remote source using the command. Type git remote add origin repository URL, replacing repository URL with your Bitbucket repository URL. To stage your project files for commit, use the command git add. Now, commit the changes with a message by typing git commit m initial commit. Push your changes to the Bitbucket repository by using the command git push u origin master. If asked for your Bitbucket username and password, enter them to authenticate. Your UIKit project is now backed up in your Bitbucket repository. You can navigate back to the Bitbucket website to verify that your files have been successfully uploaded. To keep your repository updated, regularly commit changes and push them to Bitbucket. Consider creating branches for new features to maintain a clean project history. Always sync your local repository with the remote one to avoid conflicts. This concludes the step-by-step process of backing up your UIKit project with Bitbucket repositories. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.